Hi, I'm Marco from Overland X, and in this video, Yodateq takes my 392 to Toyota Riverside for an awesome upgrade. I'm at the Toyota Riverside dealership. Yodateq is gonna be doing an awesome upgrade to my 392. If you own a Jeep Wrangler, you know that storage is one of the main things that you need to address when you're setting up for overlanding. Like me, I got the XPOGear system with all kinds of drawers and stuff like that for storage. And then we got this rear windows back here. And honestly, once you remove the seats, do the seat delete, these windows are not really good for anything. Yodateq with XPOGear has come out with the Gullwing. They're making them for the JL and the JK. And the 392 is getting a set today.
Yodateq has been producing the Goldwing hatch system with Molle panels for Toyotas for a few years now. These Gullwings replace the rear side windows for access to the rear load area. Now, under the name brand of XPOGear, these are available for Jeep Wranglers, JKs, and JLs.
This set right here is for the JK, and it comes with lights, the light control. You get a white light and an amber light.
Marcio from JT Windshield has been doing all glass and windshield services for Riverside Toyota. He is also very familiar with the Yodateq Goldwing installations. That's why we met him here to do the installation on my Jeep. Once both windows were removed, the next step is to prepare the surfaces. Because there's no drilling and no bolts are needed, the super strong glue that is used to secure the Gullwings needs to be applied on a clean and dry surface. The glue applied is the same that is used for auto windows installations.
I guess. Hold on 1 second. Okay, coming in. Looks good. I like it. Yeah.
Different accessories are available for the XPOGear Goldwings. You can add your own Molle bags, hatchet mounts, tool hangers, or just any accessory that suits your need.
I always like the way the Gullwings look on the Series 80 Toyotas and how practical they are. Now with the Wrangler, I can have Gullwings.